friends, I am Prakash Reddy. Today we discussing the physical hazards in the food processing. Very interesting and the simple topic in which video discussion we discuss on the examples of the physical hazards and their sources and how to prevent these physical hazards. Let's start. What is mean by physical hazards in the food? When we pre-processing, final processing, harvesting, during the processing of the food, some of the foreign matters or unwanted matters, contaminant particles, or these contaminant particles which are unintentionally introduced into this food, or some of the physical hazards which are naturally occurring into the raw material, which can causes illness or injury to the person who consuming that containing these contaminant particles, is called as a physical hazardous in the food. We require to properly prevent this physical hazardous by removing these matters or the material during the processing of the food. The examples of the physical hazardous and their sources in the food processing sector. The first one is the glass. The glass which is contaminated to the food through the broken glass or glass bottles or jars and tube bulbs glass and its cover, and sometimes it is also contaminated through watch glass. Then second one is the wood which is contaminated to the food through the pallet, boxes, the building construction wood material. Then next one is the metal, in which metal chipped pieces from the equipment, then metals shaving from the equipments, maybe can parts, foil parts, then machine parts, then scrubbers of the cleaning equipments. You can see in this picture, these are the main mechanical, the metal related contaminants which are contaminated during the food processing. The next one is the lint and the threads which are from the cotton material, jute bag material. These are also considered as a physical hazardous in food. Next example of the physical hazardous in food processing: stapler pins and the rubber blades, rubber bands, which are possible to physical contaminations if improper good hygienic and manufacturing practices in the food processing operation. The next example is plastic or plastic related parts, in which chipped pieces of the disposable, then pen cap, pencil, then equipment of the parts related to the plastic and also metal, then building construction part. The next one is the bands. These are the first aid bands, hair, fingers, nails, jewelry, items. If improper good hygienic and good manufacturing practices in food processing sector, then possibility to contaminate this physical hazardous. Then last one is the bone fragments, the insect, then the plant parts, then cigarette and the matchstick, possibility to contaminate during the food processing if the improper personal hygiene and good hygienic practices are followed in the food processing sector. These are some of the example of the physical hazardous and its sources. Point: prevention of physical hazardous. How to prevent the physical hazardous in food processing sector? The first one is the inspect the quality control or inspect the raw material, whatever the raw material receiving, that properly in good quality, and after the receiving must require to properly pre-process it on that raw material to remove the whatever the physical contaminants which are present in the raw material. Then use of magnetic detector for the raw material also, and also for the whatever the product is prepared, this product must to pass into the magnetic detectors. Then apply the good manufacturing practices with respect to the personal hygiene, with respect to the construction consideration of the food processing plant. Then apply all the good hygienic, good manufacturing and HACCP to the food processing industry. Then proper cover the all lighting system and elimination of the all glass parts in the food processing sector. Then inspection and the pest control programs must required to follow with periodically in food processing area. Then apply the standard operating process for the cleaning of each equipment and apply the good manufacturing practices in food industry. Then last one is the compulsory training to the each food handler regarding to the all type of the hazardous and required to awareness program related to the physical and other hazardous and its effect on our health. The effect of physical hazardous to the consumer, in which it is not related directly to the food poisoning, but they are highly undesirable in food processing. Mostly it is causes illness or the injuries or incident effect, in which mostly examples dental or oral injuries or cut or mostly affected on the digestive system. These incidents are rarely life threatening, but they are matter of public health. So required to properly reduce the physical hazardous in food processing by controlling the or by applying the good manufacturing, good hygienic practices in the food processing sector. These are the references used for the PowerPoint presentation, and these are the some of the videos for more information. Thank you very much.